Hello everyone, I am Adrija Bandyopadhyay from IEMLabs and today I am going to tell you about the Python string. Now what is a Python string? Everything you put inside the inverted comma is called as string. And in Python we can use both single inverted comma and double inverted comma. So here I am writing as a equals to 5. Apparently 5 is an integer value, but it will show the result as a string class. Let's check. So see, there is a string. Now here let's take a long string so that we can do different operations on our string. Let's learn Python and then print Let's learn Python. Now we will do some operations on this string. Suppose I want to print the length of the string. So the length of the string is 18. We want to print character at certain position. Suppose I want to print the character at 10th position. So in 10th position there is n, which is this one n, and the counting starts from 0, so the L is on 0th location. Now whatever we want to loop through the string, for in str1 okay, it will give us all the all the alphabet, special character, space in this program. Let's do something interesting. Let's check if a certain character is present in the string or not. Print, let's say Z in str1. It's a boolean type of result. Z is not present in str1, so it's given us false. Check n. It's true. Now come to the slicing part. Slicing is where we specify a start index and end index. Let me show you. Print it will start from the index 1, which is E, T and inverted comma, which is also a character here. So the 3 character up to the 4. So suppose we want to print from the first up to the 4, then we have to write like this. Print one. It will print from the first. Similarly, if we want to print it to the last, then we don't have to mention the second parameter, which is suppose I want to print it from 3, it will print up to last. Okay. Then suppose we want to convert it all in the upper string. Similarly to I am doing this in this program only. Lower, all becomes in the lower category. Then comes, if we want to remove all the white spaces, all the unnecessary white spaces, let's see what will be the output. So here we don't have any unnecessary white spaces. Suppose in that string, let me give some white spaces over there, over here. Okay, then our output will look like this. And after doing that strip function, it will do the same output. It will remove all the unnecessary spaces. Suppose we want to replace some value. We have to use the replace function, and suppose I want to replace the s with, so the s has been replaced with t, and the output has given the space, because in the previous thing we had given the space to show the strip function's output. Like this. Now move to the next function, which is print suppose we want to count how many n's are there. Let's check. We can see there are 2 n's in the whole string. Let's check how many t's are there. It is also 2. In the t, let's t and Python t. Let's check how many y's are there. There are 1 y, just like this. Now we are doing something interesting, which is we all know the meaning of swap. So it will change the small letter into capital letter and the capital letter into small letter, and in that above string we have only p in capital letter, so it has changed the capital P into a small p. Now something interesting, which is str1. Suppose str1 equals to, take a string I am and str2 teaching Python. So here it will give me a single string, and to concatenate 2 string we have to use the plus sign. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.